Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Wix site code in custom scripts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update your Wix site code in custom scripts, start by logging into your Wix account. Navigate to the dashboard of the site you want to update. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the Dev Mode option. If you haven't enabled Dev Mode yet, click on the Enable Dev Mode button to activate it. Once Dev Mode is active, the editor will display the code panel at the bottom of the screen. To add or modify custom code, select the page where you want to make changes. In the code panel, you will see an option for page code. Click on the To insert a new script, place your cursor in the appropriate area where the code should go. You can paste your custom script directly into this section. If you need to apply code site-wide, use the site code option instead. Access site code by clicking on the public folder in the code panel. Here, you can add or edit site-wide custom functions and scripts. Make sure to save your changes regularly as you update your code. To test the new code, click on the Preview button in the upper right corner. After testing, exit Preview mode to return to the editing interface. If everything works as expected, click Publish to make your changes live. Remember to check your site after publishing to ensure the updates function correctly. Finally, if necessary, revisit the code panel to adjust any code based on your observations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.